Alright, everyone. We're riding out a storm. Okay, I'm back at my house, and remember those chicks? We got a chicken coop. Got a nice chicken coop. And there's a big storm. It's big, and it's yellow, red, everything on the radar. Not good. So, I decided to go in my chicken coop and see how waterproof it was. It's doing really well. I think it's like a tin roof or something on it. Let's see. Alright, there we go. It's holding up right now because we're only in the green for the moment. Has a little chicken door. It's locked from the outside. That sky is not looking so hot. It's not so bad up there, but it's starting to get worse. Okay. So we're getting. Actually, yeah. You see this here? These two latches, one here and one here. Well, what you do is you take them and you slide them in. You have to do both at a time. And I'm sorry, guys, but I still don't have my camera. But you slide both in at a time. Sorry that I have to do this. And then it shuts, or you can go open. All right, this is gonna be the end of today's video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like. Matthew, whatever. Me out and oh my gosh, I can't even talk. All right, goodbye in 3, 2, 1.